Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today, another port. We are in Road Town, Tortola. We arrived this morning, fantastic sunrise, it was absolutely gorgeous. And now of course we've got the sunshine, as you'd expect in the Caribbean. Okay, so we're going to have a look round. We haven't got anything planned today. We have for some other ports, stay tuned. But not today. We're just going to have a wander round and see what we find. And come with us, let's go. We've had breakfast, we're ready to go. Come on.
Just a short walk and we were at the end of the cruise pier and at the gateway to our day in Tortola. Moving through the walkway, we were heading into the CyrilBRomneyTortolaPierPark. And we were all ready to start our day. And it was already starting to look busy. Well, we hadn't got far to go to find the first of many refreshing drinks on offer. I don't think there's going to be much chance of us getting dehydrated today. This enhanced cruise pier features 11 buildings, 18 kiosks and is home to over 70 retail outlets, restaurants and service centres. At first glance, the prices seem very reasonable. Tortola BVI is a colonial style cruise and shopping facility. It's located right in the heart of the island, and this outdoor shopping mall offers a variety of dining and entertainment, making it a popular spot for both residents and travellers to relax and explore. You can always take the opportunity to relax with a drink while accessing the free Wi-Fi. If you want to try out some of the local food, there are plenty of options. The drinks were flowing, beers and cocktails, including the famous painkiller. Be careful folks, the clue is in the name. This sprawling complex is framed by the picturesque harbour, where luxury yachts and cruise ships frequently dock. This really is a great place to relax with the stunning Caribbean scenery surrounding us and the lush green hills in the distance. Absolutely wonderful. As much as we were tempted to stay, we were going to stick to our plan and make our way into Road Town. Once past the shops and restaurants, you'll arrive at an area near the main entranceway with vans and tour vehicles waiting. The drivers were giving their best sales pitch to as many cruisers as they could, hoping that they will take their tour and fill their vehicles for 2 to 3 hours at a time. While keen to get you aboard their tours, their sales pitch is pretty relaxed, rather than the overbearing sales pitch you might find at other cruise ports. My advice would be to take your time deciding and choose wisely. We have been on excursions on past cruises to Tortola, and to be honest, they have all been absolutely excellent. Here's just a brief snapshot. But should we choose from the tours on offer today? No, we're going to stick to our plan, folks. Walking into Road Town from the cruise pier is incredibly easy. In about 10 to 15 minutes you can stroll into the heart of the capital. We took the opportunity to explore some of the areas that are tucked away and see for ourselves what the locality had to offer. With the locals being in the festive mood, we came across a local supermarket and I just had to take a brief look inside. The hot food counter took my eye and it looked fantastic. We came across a small market that looked interesting. And you don't get much fresher than this. Just across the road I spotted an interesting looking bar and we decided to cross the busy street and check it out. Well, we had to pop in. There was a good selection of drinks and all at reasonable prices. There are certainly worse ways to cool down and watch the world go by. Cheers! To be honest, we didn't find a great deal to keep us in this part of town, so we decided to wander back towards the cruise port area. There's certainly always something going on here, and even though I'd had a couple of beers, it was just a bit too warm for me to join in the dancing.
Alright, this is where the young people are going to get more active. You ready? Come, jump to the front, jump to the left, jump to the left, then jump to the right. Okay, jump to the front, then jump to the back.
Making our way towards the main shopping street, we were left wondering if we should have hopped aboard one of the many excursions on offer. What do you think? Well, he didn't stop to give his opinion. There was still time to do some shopping as we strolled back towards where our visit had started. One thing's for sure, a visit to Tortola is always a wonderful experience. It certainly is a great place to relax, and with the stunning Caribbean scenery surrounding us and lush green hills in the distance, we certainly hadn't been disappointed. Meanwhile, back at the ship, I'll hand over to a certain gentleman who's all ready to give his summing up.
Okay, so we're back at the ship. We had a good wander around Old Town in Tortola today. We didn't know what we'd find, as I said at the start. As it turned out, there wasn't a lot to actually see. If you know any different, please let me know in the comments. But we had a good look round. I think if you do come here, I'd recommend possibly going on an excursion. As you go outside the cruise terminal, there is opportunities for tours and things between $20 and $30 that takes you around the island and various things like that. And there's quite a few people taking those tours, so maybe that's a good option. But we've had a good day, especially with a couple of drinks back at the ship. Okay, if you've enjoyed today, give me that thumbs up. Subscription would be fantastic, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.